Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add an editor here on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding an editor to your Wix site can be beneficial for many reasons, particularly when managing a growing website or business. Because for one, an editor can help keep your website fresh by regularly updating content like blog posts, articles, product descriptions, or news. Now, for you to be able to do that, I want you to hover to your dashboard interface, depending on how you set up your Wix account. Because in this case, we would be able to have an option on the site. There's going to be a 3 dots here on the site actions. I want you to click on it, and there's going to be an option for the add collaborators. As you can see, there's going to be a lot of options here. You have the super admin, admin website designer, content writer, and of course, we're looking for the CMS editor. Now, if you click that, the CMS editor can add and modify for all collections but cannot edit other areas of your site. If you want to view and manage some of the role permissions, just click on that. And as you can see, these are going to be your options. If you're happy with that, all you have to do is type in the email address of the person that you wanted to add here. For example, in this case. And all you have to do is add that and click on send invites. Because doing so, the editors can now assist with updating the design elements such as adding new pages, modifying existing layouts, or making sure that your website remains visually appealing. This is particularly important if you run an online store. An editor can help manage product listings, update inventory, upload new products, or adjust pricing, saving you time on day-to-day management. Now, if you are like me that is only using the free plan, for you to be able to add multiple editors for your website, you might want to go for the upgrade plan option. Because in this plan, for example, the Light Basics, you can add 2 collaborators for editors here on your website. By doing so, these editors can help monitor the site for any issues, ensuring everything is running smoothly. They can quickly address broken links, missing images, or formatting issues. If you select that, all you have to do is going to be pay that using all of these options. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.